For this question, we've been asked to convert degrees into radians and radians into degrees. So starting with converting from degrees to radians, we recall that to do so we have the number of degrees divided by 360 and we multiply it by 2 pi to see what the equivalent is in radians. So beginning with 6 degrees, we say we have 6 over 360 times by 2 pi. Now 6 over 360 is 1/60th times 2 pi, and 2 pi divided by 60 just gives us pi over 30. Therefore we say that 6 degrees is the same as pi over 30 radians. So following a similar procedure for 50 degrees, we say we have 50 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi. Now 50 over 360 we will write as 5 over 3 over 36 times by 2 pi, and that gives us 10 over 36 pi. So we see that 50 degrees is equivalent to 10 pi over 36, and 10 pi over 36 can be written as 5 pi over 18. So moving on, 146 degrees, turning that into radians, we have 146 over 360 multiplied by 2 pi. Now 146 over 360 we can write as 73 over 180 times 2 pi, and then 73 over 180 times 2 pi we'll write as 73 over 90 pi. So 146 degrees is 73 pi over 90 radians. So that's converting from degrees to radians. To go from radians to degrees, we use a similar method. We use n, which is our number of radians, divided by 2 pi, and we multiply by 360 to find the number of degrees. So for the first one, we have 0.3 radians. So we say we have 0.3 over 2 pi multiplied by 360. So what that gives us is 0.3 times 360 is 108. So we have 108 over 2 pi, which is 54 over pi. So 0.3 radians is equivalent of 54 over pi degrees, and 54 over pi is roughly 17.2. So 0.3 radians is 17.2 degrees. Now finally, 2 pi over 5 radians. Turning that into degrees, we have 2 pi over 5 divided by 2 pi multiplied by 360. Now 2 pi over 5 divided by 2 pi is 1/5, so we have a fifth times 360, and a fifth of 360 is 72. So 2 pi over 5 radians is 72 degrees.